Good evening, friends. In this episode of Sahakar Sutra, we shall be taking a look at one of the most important things which a member of a cooperative housing society should do in his life: the filling up and submission of the nomination form. Friends, life has become so uncertain today. Nobody can predict what will happen tomorrow. And in the hush-hush of hectic life in Mumbai especially, and even other metros, people, when they get out of the house, are not sure as to whether they will return safely in the evening or not. I don't want to scare anybody, but this is the harsh reality. So, one of the first things a member of a cooperative housing society has to do, and nowadays it has become mandatory, that he should fill in his nomination form and submit it to the secretary of the society. Now, what is this nomination form and why it is so important? This form number 14, which the member has to fill up and submit to the secretary of the society, is actually creation of a legal representative of the member for the cooperative housing society. Friends, you know, you go to banks nowadays, or you have share certificates or even fixed deposit certificates with companies. Everywhere you are asked to fill in the nomination form. So what is the reason? The reason is that you are creating a legal representative, not a heir, but a legal representative. Now, the forms which one fills in with the banks are different, and the form which is filled in with the cooperative society is different. This nomination form has to fill in triplicate and submitted to the secretary. The secretary, after receiving such forms, makes an entry in the nomination register of the society and puts forth the nominations in the next managing committee meeting, where they are approved. After the committee approves the nomination, one copy is given back to the member by the secretary for his records, and the other two are kept by the society with them. Friends, this is between the owner and the society, the owner of the flat and society, because Rule 25 says that once a member is no more, his right to the property or his interest to the property automatically becomes extinct. In that case, whom should the society transfer that interest or transfer that share of the member to? So, the name or names which are written on the nomination form form the base, and the names mentioned there become the legal representatives of the deceased member. If there is one name only on the nomination form, the society, after checking that all his claims are correct, puts forth his letter and application to the managing committee, and once it is approved, the society transfers the flat on the name of that person whose name is mentioned on the nomination form. But suppose there are more than one names, 2-3 names, then the society asks the people, the 2-3 people whose names are mentioned on the nomination form, to decide from amongst themselves one person on whom the society can transfer the interest and the share. The other people are then made the associate members of the society. Now friends, please don't mistake that if you are nominated on the nomination form and the society transfers the flat and the share on your name, you become the legal owner of the flat. No. A nominated person is just a sort of a trustee in waiting on whom the society transfers the share or the interest of that flat, on whose name the society transfers the share or the interest of the flat. Then after that, all the legal heirs go through the legal process of getting a succession certificate from the court of law, and then whatever, or as per the will of that person, if he has made a will, the person on whose name the flat is transferred, he has to act as per either the succession certificate or the will of the member. But the society headache as to whom the flat should be transferred ceases with the nomination of a legal representative of the deceased person. In the presentation following this talk, I have given you how the form looks like and what are the rules and the sections as per the bylaws which govern the nomination of the flat onto members. Thank you.